Understanding the tiger's glare in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be exploring the phrase, tiger's glare. It's a fascinating expression that paints a vivid picture with just 2 words. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning behind this phrase and see how it's used in English. When we talk about a tiger's glare, we're referring to a look that is intensely fierce or threatening. Much like the way a tiger might look at its prey. This expression is often used to describe someone's look that is so powerful, it feels like it could almost pierce through you. The phrase, tiger's glare, draws its strength from the reputation of the tiger in the animal kingdom, a creature known for its powerful presence and dominant attitude. The expression has been adopted into English to convey a similar kind of intense and commanding attention in a human context. Let's look at how tiger's glare can be used in sentences. As she confronted the unruly class, the teacher gave a tiger's glare that restored order immediately. The athlete had a tiger's glare as he focused on his opponent, ready to win. Use tiger's glare when you want to describe someone's look that is full of conviction and determination. It's perfect for situations that involve competition, challenge, or the need to show assertiveness. And that's all for tiger's glare. Next time you see someone with a fierce look of determination, you'll know exactly how to describe it. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the art of English expressions in no time.